This video is gotten from our course titled AI for CAC agents, and you can get early access to it just for a few price, and this is it here. So the link will be attached to the description of this video. You'll be taught how you can make use of AI as a CAC agent if you are still doing everything manually, like as a CAC registration agent. If you are still doing it manually, you are getting it wrong. Like, you are seriously getting it wrong, because in this video I'll be showing you how you can write letter to CAC, and I'll also be attaching the prompts at the end of this video. So do well to check the link of the Google Doc so that you can get it right away. All right, so as you can see here, I already have one of my tab as write letter to CAC, right? And this is not just a new tab, it is something that I've been using. Like, it is something that I have been using over time. So whenever I have issues or query and it requires of me to send email to CAC, I go to my ChatGPT immediately, because it's always there to do something like this, right? It's always there to do something like this, and after generating, I'll just have to do little editing, because ChatGPT can make mistake, right? So you have to check important info, and at the same time, if you provide it the required document, you will get the actual information that you need. So there was this issue that occurred last week around November 13th, 14th, 15th during emydigital reservation. So while I was making the reservation, I successfully did it and I made payment. So after a while, I checked the portal and I saw that the name that I submitted has been changed to new incorporation. I was like, what does this mean? So on Monday, that was yesterday, I called the help desk and relayed the information to them, because I already have the receipt downloaded. So the representative that I spoke with said that it's kind of like a general issue, which is something I also noticed on the portal that I'm using, and I relayed the information to them. So they told me what to do, that I should send an email to them immediately. Like, I sent an email to them immediately with the correct name that I reserved and the username and all other information. So this is the prompt that I pasted to CAC. Write letter to CAC and during reservation, this and that, and voila, it drafted the email for me. So I removed all these things, because CAC does not even need them. This is what they need, and I sent the information to them immediately. And guess what? I've been using this since. I've been using it a lot. I've been using it quite a lot, right? So whatever email that you want to send, this ChatGPT can generate it for you. And all you have to do is just create a new tab, and this is how you can create a new tab. Just click on new chat. As you can see here, it is already created, right? So you know that this chat is for what? It's for writing letters, and even the AI would have stored it for you. So just like username now, if it already has your username on the dashboard, you won't have the need to paste it in your prompt. Like, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like, if you make use of a particular tab for a particular purpose for your ChatGPT, you won't have to like repeat information making use of that same tab. For example, the username and maybe your username and maybe the name of your email. If you input your address, it will be making use of that address and all other information that is needed. It will be making use of it repeatedly, right? So if you are still doing all of this manually yourself, you are kind of like wasting time. And this can be done either with your PC or your smartphone. You can make use of it with your smartphone, and you can also make use of it with your PC. So this video is just one of the module for our course, so you can just go ahead to buy the course in the description below. And if you have any question or you have anything that you want us to make video on, let us know right in the comment section. So the emails, the required email address of CAC will be attached in a document, in a Google Doc format, and attached to this video. So each of this email you can send your compliant to, but note that we have different departments and how and the email address that they handle. Like each of these email addresses has their own department and the kind of query that they address. All right, we've also done a video of that in the past, and I will attach the video in the description, so just check all of this that we're saying in the description. You get all of the link, and if you do not get, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.